大家好. From this lesson onwards, you're able to read and speak all the sounds in Chinese. Unbelievable, right? From now, I will help you to increase your accuracy and confidence towards pronunciation. So, if you have any questions for me, now is your chance to ask.
สวัสดีครับ 你好朱老师 I'm 郑永志 from Thailand.
你好，永志。
I have been following learning Chinese phonetic, but I'm confused with the and t.
Oh, well, your vocal cords should not vibrate. The. Good. For t, the air flow through the middle of your teeth is too strong. Move your tongue back a little bit and let it touch the back of your upper teeth. T.
Oh, we should avoid friction between the tip of the tongue and the teeth, right?
Yes. Can you read these initials?
No problem. 波 po 的 t.
Do you know the difference of them?
I think when saying p and t, you have to use strong fatty F4 in your mouth.
Yes. I have a good method to help you to remember them. Have a look. Po, po.
That's a good method.
Yes. So can you try to read the following words?
Of course. 跑步 run 旁边 beside 地铁 subway.
Very good. Let's make things a little bit harder now.
Bring on the challenge.
Read this jingle.
大肚子大兔子肚子饱了兔子跑了
Wow, good enough. 你肚子饱吗?
No, I didn't have any breakfast. I'm so hungry.
Oh, I have something for you to eat. 早餐, breakfast.
早餐
Z is like align your teeth. And remember, it's like you touch the electricity. Z.
滋
Very good. C. The position of the pronunciation is basically unchanged. The difference is the airflow is stronger here. Have a try.
丝
No, C. You can put your hand in front of your mouth and you can clearly feel the airflow. C.
丝
Yes, you got it. Can you try to read the following initials?
滋呲知吃鸡七
Please read after me. Z,
滋
zh,
知
ji.
鸡
Very good. C,
呲
ch,
吃
qi.
七
Okay, some words.
支持赞成全家价钱
价钱 means price. When you ask for price, you can say 多少钱?
多少钱 is very useful.
Yeah, 钱 money. 多少钱?
多少钱
Very good. Next time when you go to buy something, you can say 多少钱? Okay, that's all for this video. 再见.
再见